Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on the simple present tense. Today, we will learn how to talk about things that happen regularly. This means things we do every day, week, month, or year. Let's get started. Every plus day, week, month, or year. This means something happens regularly, like a routine. For example, I drink coffee every morning. She visits her grandparents every Sunday. They go on vacation every summer. Every plus specific day of the week. This shows something happening on the same day every week. For example, we have English class every Monday. He goes to the gym every Wednesday. They go grocery shopping every Friday. Every plus specific month of the year. This means something happens regularly in that month. For example, we go camping every August. She visits her family every December. They celebrate their anniversary every June. Every plus specific season. This means something happens during a certain time of the year. For example, they go skiing every winter. We have a barbecue party every summer. She takes long walks in the park every spring, on plus specific days of the week. This means something happens on a particular day or days of the week. For example, I have piano lessons on Tuesdays. They have a meeting on Thursdays and Fridays. She volunteers at the shelter on Saturdays. Once, twice, 3 or 4 times a day or a week or a month or a year. This tells us how many times something happens within a specific time. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. They go to the gym 3 times a week. She visits her parents once a month. If something happens once a week, it means one time in that week. For example, I go to the library once a week. We don't say one time a week. It's incorrect. If it happens twice a day or week or month or year, it means 2 times in that time. For example, she exercises twice a week. We don't say 2 times a week. It's incorrect. For 3 or more times, we use numbers like 3, 4, 5 times, and etc. For example, they water the plants 3 times a week. 4 times a month. For example, they have team meetings 4 times a month, 5 times a year. For example, we go on vacation 5 times a year, 6 times a day. For example, he takes his medication 6 times a day. At plus time. This tells us a specific time when something happens regularly. For example, we eat dinner at 7 p.m. The bus arrives at 8:30. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to talk about things you do regularly using the simple present tense. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and soon you will be very comfortable using these phrases. See you in the next lesson.